Aside from the camera, lighting is the most crucial consideration in photography. The proper lighting will make or break your photography project, whether inside a studio or outside in the sunshine. Inside lighting is the easiest to control, so photographers need the best light kit to suit their needs. We have a variety of light kits here that match all kinds of budgets and situations. Whether you're shooting a product on a tabletop, models for a fashion shoot, or even selfies for the influencer crowd, we have lights for you. These lights will keep your photographs well lit.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, GVM 2-pack LED Video Lighting Kit with App Control. Best budget. This setup is a close second and our top pick for lighting rigs. Great video maker. GVM is not just appropriately named. You get 2 bright variable control lights, stands, software filters, and more. The lights are also very slim. One of this light rig's cooler aspects is it's app controlled. While the controls on the back of the lights are easy to use, controlling them via an app lets you set up your scene more easily from a distance. You can control light brightness and temperature to get the shot you want. The color temperature goes from 2300K to 6800K, meaning you can find just the proper lighting for your conditions. The lights can be battery powered, but batteries are not included, which is disappointing. Number 2. Ikan IB508 3-point LED Studio Light Kit. Best for studio work. The Ikan IB508 Light Kit may be for you if you predominantly shoot inside a studio. The lights are controlled with a knob and readout on the back, which can be hard to see in direct sunlight. That's why this light kit gets our recommendation for inside studio work. This is a 3-piece set with a fixed color temperature of 5600K. That's good for most photography, and if you want to change the color, you can use one of 2 included filters. The first filter changes the light to about 300K, while the other softens it to 5600K, so it's less intense. The kit has everything you need to start, including stands, batteries, chargers, and a carrying case. It's very lightweight and ready to go outdoors with you, but it's more suited for indoor work. Photographers can appreciate that kind of versatility. Number 3. Ikan LB10 3-point Soft Panel LED Light Kit. Best for soft lighting. If you are looking for some of the best soft lighting, look no further than the Ikan Lyra 1x1 LED Lighting Kit. This 3-pack of lighting is great for your standard 3-point lighting system for an interview subject or model. This versatile system can be set to 3200K or 5600K with adjustable brightness. It's all controlled by a single large knob that switches between brightness and temperature. This makes it easy to locate when it's up on a stand and easy to control. One key feature of these lights is the 30-degree mounting yoke. This allows the light to come off the stand and gives you more mobility in focusing and aiming the light in barn doors. The stands and case are included in this package, which is good because it also costs a pretty penny. These are also all 1x1 panels, making them Number 4. VILTROX VL-200 LED Kit. Best remote control on a budget. If you're on a budget but want a remote control to adjust your lighting, the VILTROX VL-200 3-pack of lights is a great deal. You get 3 LED panels, stands, and power adapters in an easy-access carrying bag. In addition to the remote control, one nice accessory is hot shoe adapters for the lights. This allows you to use other hot shoe accessories and the lights, including mounting them directly to a camera. Unfortunately, if you mount a light to the camera, you'll need to buy a battery separately, as these lights don't come with them, nor do the lights come with a diffuser to get a softer light. There's some great value here. It can make a great mobile lighting studio when you're on the go. The remote allows you to control one or all of the lights from a distance, so you can take in the scene as you would. Number 5. Emert LED Video Light. Best for tabletop use. This Emert set of 2 LED lights is excellent for close-up and tabletop photography. You get a complete kit, including 2 lights, 2 stands, and 2 small tabletop stands. The lights aren't powerful, you won't fill a room with them, but they'll do very nicely for close-up photography. If you want to add a little color to your shots, Each light has 4 color filters you can put in to adjust the lighting. If you want to use the included stands, they extend from 21 inches up to 54 inches in length. An enclosed ball head lets you aim the lights anywhere you need them. The lights are powered by USB, and you can plug them into any USB port, wall charger,